All right, today we're going to take a look at a smartwatch. And if you guys can see this, this actually looks like an Apple Watch, but it has some great features. It has all the features that an Apple Watch has. You can answer phone calls, you can monitor your sleep, you can monitor your weight, and you can do exercise, and you can change the spaces. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. All right. So when you click on it, it wakes up. And if you can notice, it tells you your heart rate, your steps, and then you can make phone calls in there. There's plenty of options here too. You can also change the faces on this system itself. And by rolling to the right, you actually get more. You can monitor your sleep mode. Let me click on it again. You can monitor your sleep mode, your tools, and then your heart rate, of course. And then if you ever want to do other things like flashlight and night mode, then there's other options here that you can also do. Only one button, that's pretty much unique. It has a unique type of charger. It's a 2-prong charger. It just touches in here. Now, so the phone application is called OnWear Pro. Once you get the application, you have to sync it up with your phone, all right? And from here, they give you a lot of options. They give you actually monitoring options. You can monitor your weight, your tracking of your location, your exercise, your walking, your outdoors, but you got to give your phone permission to actually access this stuff. So let's go back home. And in this situation, you could check your heart monitor, you could sleep mode, and then your weight, how much weight you want to lose, how much you want to exercise. And this is me. So one of the best features I like about this, that you could go and change the actual facelifts and change to, so you could download and it's all free within the system. So if you don't like the current template that it has, you could change it to any mode you want. Waterproof, water resistance. The actual wristband is made for sports, running, sweat. So this is perfect if you're going to start working out, or you made that New Year resolution where you want to lose some weight, you want to monitor yourself, you want to know if you're doing it right and proper. This is a perfect way to do it. With a combination of your phone, you could answer phone calls, you could make phone calls, and also you can even listen to music on the road. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.